French. You can do this. Bonjour! Welcome to Top Perfect French. Today we're learning the adjectives for the topic me, my family, my friends. Moi, ma famille, mes amis. So I've done a few things. The first thing I've done is I've chosen some of the adjectives we're going to learn today because I couldn't take all of them. It'd take ages for me to teach you all these adjectives. So I've chosen a few. The next thing I've done is I've done two colors for the adjectives. Some of the adjectives are in red and some of the adjectives are in black. The adjectives in red are the adjectives are negative. So for example, something that is bad about somebody. And the ones that are in black are for something that is positive about people. And I've done that because I'm quite a visual person, and it's possible that you are too. And if you are, that's quite an easy way to remember which ones are the good ones and which ones I can use to say something bad about somebody. So here they are, the two colors. And the next thing I've done is I've also written at the back the French. So I've got the English on one side and the French on the other. Wait, stop! Before we go any further, don't forget to subscribe. And as you can see on this one, there are two colors. And that's because when I say something and I describe somebody, I would learn the form for the masculine. Always learn the form for the masculine. But I also need to know the form for the feminine because I might describe a boy or I might describe a girl. So I learn the boy form and then I click, how do I do the girl form? So when you're actually doing it for a boy and you're writing it as for a boy, you're just writing il est énervant, just like that. But if you're writing for a girl, usually you just add an I at the end. So that's a perfect example because elle est énervante. All I have to add with my T is an I. So I'm only adding an I there. So I'll show you another one. Ennuyant. He is boring. Il est ennuyant. She is boring. Elle est ennuyante. I add an I. Some of the adjectives like selfish, egoist already have an I. So you don't need to add anything. It's already done for you. So he is selfish. Il est égoiste. That's how you write it. And she is selfish. Elle est égoiste. And you still write it the same way. So for some of them, two things changes. So for example, he is lazy, il est paresseux, E-U-X. And for a girl, it becomes elle est paresseuse. E-U-X becomes E-U-S-E. Okay, and if you look at that, I'm going to show you another one. So generous is also généreux. E-U-X. And that also changes to S-E. So if every time you have E-U-X for a boy, you have E-U-S-E for a girl. Same thing. Can you see? Same thing. And then I've got one more for this one. Hardworking, travailleur, E-U-R becomes E-U-S-E. So can you see the E-U-R, E-U-X become E-U-S-E for all of them? So he is hardworking, il est travailleur. She is hardworking, elle est travailleuse. Okay, and then understanding is compréhensif. And anything that finishes with an F at the end for a girl becomes VE. So he is understanding, il est compréhensif. She is understanding, elle est compréhensive. For kind, there's a different one. Gentil for a boy and gentille with a Y sound, double L, E for a girl. So il est gentil, elle est gentille. And then for funny, I've got amusant, and as you can see, ends with a T, but for a girl, you just add an E. So that's just to give you an idea of the grammar. So now let's learn the vocab. Ready? So like last time, remember, I'm going to say the French. I'm going to show you the English. I'm going to say the French, and then you need to repeat the French, and you need to be very loud, because the louder you are, the faster you learn. You need to repeat after me. It's really important that you repeat after me. If you don't repeat after me, you won't remember them. You might remember the first three and then you'll forget all the others. So you ready? Ennuyant. Ennuyant. Énervant. Now that's a bit of a funny one really, because that ennuyant for boring really looks like it's the one I should use for annoying. So be careful because people mix them up. So ennuyant is boring. And for annoying, it's somebody who gets on your nerve. So look at it. Énervant. It gets on your nerve. That's an annoying person. So for annoying, énervant. Ennuyant. Énervant. Ennuyant. Well done. Keep going. Be really loud. Énervant. Égoïste. Énervant. Égoïste. Ennuyant. Égoïste. Paresseux. Paresseux. Égoïste. Paresseux. Ennuyant. Paresseux. Énervant. Paresseux. Right, shall we have a go and see if you actually can do all of them? Ready? I'm going to leave a gap and then I'll let you say it. If you can't remember it, just listen to me and then repeat after me. Remember, be very loud. Ready? Go. Égoïste. Ennuyant. Énervant. Paresseux. Okay, and then I'm going to teach you the other ones. The good ones. Ready? Understanding. Compréhensif. Like to comprehend. Compréhensif. Gentil. Compréhensif. Gentil. Amusant. That's quite an easy one because funny, amusing. Amusant. Gentil. Amusant. Compréhensif. Amusant. Travailleur. Now, if you know to work, that's travailler. So hardworking is travailleur. It's got travailler in it. Travailleur. Amusant. Travailleur. Compréhensif. Travailleur. Gentil. Travailleur. And the last one. Généreux. Généreux. Travailleur. Généreux. Did you get that one? Gentil. Généreux. Can you remember this one? Yeah, well done if you did. Well done. That's quite a hard one. Compréhensif. Généreux. Amusant. Généreux. Okay, now I'm going to try them all together with the negative one. Ready? So I'm going to leave you a gap, then I'm going to say it, then you can repeat it. Be loud. Try your best. Get ready. Go. Égoïste. Ennuyant. Énervant. Paresseux. Généreux. Travailleur. Gentil. Compréhensif. And amusant. Well done if you managed to do them all. If you didn't, don't worry about it. Just go back, re-listen to the video and do it again. Okay, so let's just do 2 or 3 things with it. So you ready? He is selfish. How would you say that? He is selfish. Il est égoïste. She is selfish. Elle est égoïste. I am selfish. Je suis égoïste. Okay, let's do one more. Well, let's do two more. Boring. I am boring. Je suis ennuyant. Or for a girl, je suis ennuyante. He is boring. Il est ennuyant. She is boring. Elle est ennuyante. What about I am lazy for a boy? Je suis paresseux. He is lazy. Il est paresseux. She is lazy. Elle est paresseuse. All right, that's just to give you an idea how to practice them. Once you've got your flashcards, this is how you need to practice them so you're able to actually use them. So you go for I am, he is, she is, because that's what you're going to use for your writing, really, most of the time. So make your own flashcards, write the French at the back, and have your little things to remember how to do it for a feminine, and then keep practicing. Well done. Well done for watching the video. Keep watching Top Perfect French. Keep practicing and see you next time. Au revoir.